Hi, thanks for checking out this video. This is going to be hopefully a how-to video on a repair on a Gallagher B280 electric fence charger, 12-volt unit, 2.8 stored joules, probably 1.5 output. I don't know, somewhere in that range, probably between 1.5 and 2. So we're going to go through it, but here's a little bit about us. It's my websites, fencerfixer.com and cattlescalerepair.com. We also, because we work on all brands, we work on cattle scales and low bars and EID tag readers for scanning ear tags on sheep and cattle and pigs and whatever else you use them for. So, but we work on all that stuff. So if you need something worked on, look us up. We'll be happy to take a peek at something for you. All right, so the note on this, there's actually two of them here. Got two B280s. We're just going to pick one first and start on it. So one may have lightning damage as the diverter and the B280 show arcing, which you can see right there. The terminal's all burnt up. That's on the hot side. So lightning probably came in on the fence side, burned it up, and you'll see a little bit of arcing on the ground side, but not near as bad as that terminal is. So we need to definitely change that, but that won't keep it from working. It says neither unit have as much output as 10 plus years ago, so we probably have a bad transformer in it. Now I gotta look. I don't think I've got the parts in stock for this one, so I'm gonna probably have to order some stuff, but I can at least show you how to test things or whatever. And we do stock parts for these, or if we don't, we can always order them in. It's not a big deal. We got accounts with about every brand out there. So we're gonna turn it on to power supply, or flip the switch on to full power. And yeah, not as much power as it did 10 years ago when it doesn't come on. All right, well, we're gonna take it apart here. Gallagher's battery units are not UL listed, so they don't have any special screws in them. So you just kind of pop it apart. Well, thing looks pretty clean for possibly being hit by lightning. Check the fuse first just to see if that's all it is. They don't go bad that often. There's a spare fuse inside this one, but these fuses don't go bad that often. The fuse is good. Alright, so let's check and make sure we got power coming into it. So we're going to unplug these two wires here. Put my meter on DC voltage. Put my meter in here. Power supply set at 12.5 volts. I've got my leads connected, and we're not getting anything. So we're losing power somewhere. So let's turn the power supply off. Oh, hold on here. I had the wrong power supply hooked up. Had the wrong power supply connected to it. So now we're getting power. Okay, so let's turn it off. Let's connect this back up. These are kind of loose. We'll tighten them up in a minute. Let's close this lid on it real quick so we can see the front of it. Power supply back on. Well, so far so good. That means the board's fine. We'll check the output. Getting nearly 10,000 volts out of the thing. So I don't know what kind of voltage he's looking for or what he expects, but that's about right. Let's put a 500 ohm load across it and see what that reads. Should probably drop down around from say 10 down to around 4 to 5, I would guess. Put that on there. Take this load here, put it across. Reading 6,000. That's doing fine. Turn it off. I don't know. Let's take it back apart. We need to replace that terminal bolt for sure. Now I'll test the capacitor. They don't go bad that often, but we'll just test it just to see. Because the capacitor's pretty weak, it would have dropped down a lot more with the load on it. So I'll put my meter on capacitance. Let's see what size this is. This is a 20 microfarad capacitor. Read 19, so it's still good. Alright, so this terminal bolt that's burned up is this one here, so we'll take that nut loose. There's the old one. Let's find another bolt. There's the new one. Let's first clean out this dust and stuff. Everything else looks pretty good. We are going to tighten these two terminals up, spades up, because they're a little loose after I pulled them out the first time. That's a lot tighter now. I always install it with the gasket right here inside. It makes it a little easier to put back together. Put it right back in its little groove it's supposed to go in. Working fine, nothing wrong with it. Well, that's basically it for this video. So, look us up online. If you want to go to our website, fencerfixer.com or cattlescalerepair.com. If you know somebody that's got an old electric fence box he's worked on, we do work on all brands and ages of them. Free quotes, 1.5 repair warranties. Lightning is included on our repair warranty on the parts and repairs that we do to a unit. Alright, well, that's it for this video. Until next time, see you later.